Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Today's video, I am going to be doing a speed clean video like you saw from the title. I have a lot to clean. Matt and I just got back from the Cayman Islands. If you have not seen that little mini vlog that I did, then definitely go check it out. It was very pretty. It was a very nice, relaxing trip. I'm looking a hot mess. I need to shave my head. I have some breakouts and stuff like that on my chest due to having to spray bug spray and putting sunscreen on like every single day that we were there, and my skin just did not like it whatsoever. So don't mind that if you see that. Also, if you do see my stomach in the video, I am looking a bit bloated because your girl's about to get her girly time, and we were enjoying some food and I just feel very inflamed, and that tends to happen. I feel very puffy and inflamed and all that when I travel somewhere, and obviously the altitude is way different. So anyway, like I said, I'm just, dealing with the bloat and stuff like that. If you have any recommendations on how to help with bloating during your menstrual cycle, let me know down below. Plexus helps with my cramping and stuff like that, but so far, with obviously my IBS and stuff like that as well, I'm still having issues with the bloating in my stomach. So let me know down below if you have any recommendations on how to help with bloat. Anyway, let's get into this video. I have a big old mess. This is the office. Huge mess. My office to clean up. And then in the bedroom over here, we have tons of clothes to fold that we left sitting on the bed before we left, that now we need to clean. Also, all the clothes that we took with us, not cleaned them this morning. I have a huge table full of stuff to vacuum, stuff to put away, and then stuff in there to clean as well. So we have a whole house to clean. I want to start my week off with a clean house and to stay organized. I've been doing really well lately with decluttering certain things. We are, like I mentioned in another video, we are rearranging our house again. For now, we're just gonna stick to getting some things cleaned up, some things organized, and just like necessity cleaning. All right, so first I'm gonna start unpacking. Let me know if you guys like packing or unpacking better. Oh boy, I don't know if I like either, because packing, I always seem to be like, oh my gosh, do I have everything? Then I end up overpacking. I always do. And then unpacking, I just feel like it takes forever. You gotta get all the dirty clothes out, all the clothes. I just end up washing everything, even if I don't end up wearing it. And then just kind of like disinfecting everything, because obviously, traveling and going on the plane and all that, things just get nasty. So I just try to disinfect everything. I got these cute backpacks off of Amazon and I absolutely love them. I will link them down below in my Amazon storefront once I have that done, promise. But yeah, I loved them. They worked perfect for this trip. My laundry room is a mess and I need to clean it up, so that's what I'm going to do today. So yeah, our trip went very well. Like I said, if you guys have not seen that little Cayman Islands video that I posted, go check that out. But this video is just going to be a lot of kind of random cleaning. I'm trying to just keep things organized around the house. You're going to see I even mow my lawn in this video. I had to change the cat box. I need to pull some weeds in the backyard. So anyway, I really hope y'all enjoy. And also, let me know if you are one of those types of people who you have a table in your kitchen, but you end up using it as just a spot to put things, because that's how it ends up being with me. And I can't stand it. I tell myself the kitchen table is going to stay clear, and then right after I'm done cleaning it off, I start setting things on it. I just can't help it. Let me know if you guys are the same way. Anyway, I'm going to be quiet now. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this motivates you to clean your house.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
So I realized that I did not film an outro to this video, so that's what this is going to be, me pulling some weeds in the backyard. I feel like these grow like crazy. We have astroturf on the other side, and obviously a few patches right there. As you can see, this backyard is a work in progress, y'all. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. You seem to like the speed clean videos, and I'm so excited because I have a handful of new ideas for speed clean videos, so stay tuned for that. Be sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll see y'all.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes